From the time I can remember, I wanted to go with my father to the field. I wanted to watch tractors plow. I thought about it when I was at school, and it's just a passion. And I hate to hear people say how terrible it is to farm and all the woes we have. That's life. I mean, I've worked at that fire department for 5 years, and I can tell you, we've got it pretty good. I mean, you know, I want to be positive about farming. I think we should be proud about it. I think we should be positive about it because it's an amazing lifestyle, and I wish more people could experience it. I thank the Lord every day. I can still remember the sounds of being in a cotton field when it's 100 degrees, chopping cocoa burrs with my dad. You could hear the locusts in the edge of the woods, and I remember the smells of wild onions when he was disking and I was riding on the fender of the tractor with him. You're probably not supposed to do that or say you did that, but I can remember those smells, and they're still in my brain. I can still remember them, and I would love if all 4 of my children could experience that, and I wish everybody out here could experience that. So I want to be positive about farming. I wish they taught more ag courses at public schools. I wish the vocational centers were just overflowing with FFA and ag.
A couple guys in first class on a flight from New York to Los Angeles, kinda making small talk, killing time, flirting with the flight attendants. 30,000 feet above, could be Oklahoma. Just a bunch of square cornfields and wheat farms, man, it all looks the same. Miles and miles of back roads and highways connecting little towns with funny names. Who'd wanna live down there in the middle of nowhere? They've never drove through Indiana, met the man who plowed that earth, planted that seed, busted it for you and me. You're caught a harvest moon in Kansas, and they'd understand why God made those flyover states. I bet that mile-long Santa Fe freight train engineer seen it all, just like that flatbed cowboy stacking U.S. steel on a 3-day haul. Roads and rails under their feet, yeah, that sounds like a first-class seat on the plains of Oklahoma, with a windshield sunset in your eyes like a watercolor painted sky. You think heaven's doors have opened, you'll understand why God made those flyover states. Take a ride across the Badlands and feel that freedom on your face. Breathe in all that open space and meet a girl from Amarillo. You'll understand why God made. You might even wanna plant your stakes in those flyover states.